Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is October the 25th, 2024, and today I want to look at Tesla. Now, this is a weekly chart of Tesla, and you can see this big red candle that's formed on the weekly chart. Now, what happened there? There was a earnings release and news release here this past week where we saw Tesla gap up $20 on or 20% on the daily chart. I think it's 22% on the daily chart, but this is the weekly chart. I want to show you this because I think it's, more important than the daily chart. And I'm going to draw a trend line here connecting my best fit trend line. If we draw the trend line like this here, we can see that the price is certainly above that trend line. We got above it, pull back, and another retest. And now it's back above the purple 200-week moving average, which has continued to advance since probably, forever. And it's looking really bullish to me. Right now, it looks like we're going to close around that 267, 268 level for the week. Well, it hasn't closed that high since the week of September 11th, 2023. That's a 14-month high in the price. And anytime you get, you're making new yearly highs or 52-week highs, that's a bullish sign by most measurements. So in particular, I think everybody would measure that's a bullish signal. So right now, we're testing this previous resistance level, and, it remains to be seen if the price goes higher. But this, I think the uptrend is continuing higher, and, we'll see if we can get above that, 300 level. I think is very important certainly has been a resistance level in the past, and it's a strong psychologically important number, stock price. So we'll see what happens there. Let's take a look at the daily chart, and you can see that here's that gap I was talking about. Yeah, it's roughly 22% gap up on the news, and it's trading above the green 50-day moving average. The purple 200-day moving average is starting to flatten out and rise below. We want to, as long as we're above there, we're fairly bullish by any measurements. But the next days and weeks will be interesting to see if we can, push above this previous resistance level and, get up to that $300 mark and see if we can push above that. So, there's still a lot of room from 268. It looks like almost 269 now up to 300. But, this is we're looking back on the weekly. I like the looks of this as a bullish chart pattern. This is, to me, looks like it wants to go higher and maybe get back and test those $400 levels. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.